Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Christmas knife in Murder Mystery 2. First, you need to wait for the game's official holiday event to begin, which typically launches sometime in December each year. Once active, a special event hub or game mode usually appears prominently on your screen or in the main lobby, clearly indicating the celebration has started. Engaging with this seasonal offering is your only way to secure the highly sought-after knife. To purchase the knife, you will need a special seasonal currency, typically known as holiday coins. You can primarily earn these by simply playing through regular matches of Murder Mystery 2, whether you are the innocent, sheriff, or murderer. Make sure to also check for any unique event quests or daily objectives. Completing these can often grant you a substantial number of additional coins much faster than just playing rounds. Once you have gathered a sufficient amount of holiday coins, it is time to visit the event shop. This exclusive shop usually appears as a new icon or section in the main game interface once the holiday event is live. Navigate through the items until you find the Christmas knife, which typically costs several thousand coins, like 5,000 or even 8,000. Confirm your purchase to add this festive item to your inventory immediately. To truly maximize your chances, make sure you play consistently during the event. Every round helps you earn more coins. Prioritize completing any special holiday quests that appear, as they often provide a significant boost to your currency. Be aware that once the holiday event ends, the Christmas knife will no longer be available for purchase, making it a truly limited-time item. Do not miss out on this unique opportunity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.